In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect earbuds to Samsung phone. First, we need to turn on Bluetooth. To do this, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. You will see a gear icon, which is typically located on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you tap on Settings, a new menu will appear. This menu contains various options to customize your phone. Next, look for the Connections option. It's usually listed near the top of the menu. Tap on Connections and you will see several features related to connectivity. Now you need to find Bluetooth. Tap on Bluetooth and you will see the Bluetooth settings. Finally, turn Bluetooth on by tapping the switch. This action is important because it enables your phone to communicate with other Bluetooth devices, ensuring a smooth connection later. Once that is done, we can move on to connect the earbuds. Begin by sliding down from the top of the screen. This action opens the Quick Settings menu. In this menu, look for the Bluetooth icon. Tap on it and it will take you directly to the Bluetooth settings screen. Here you will see a list of available devices. Make sure your earbuds are in pairing mode. This often means pressing and holding the power button on the earbuds until you see a light flashing. Now locate your earbuds name from the list that appears on your phone. When you find it, tap on it. This is a crucial step because it initiates the connection process between your phone and your earbuds. After tapping the name, the next prompt will be to tap Pair. Doing this confirms your choice and connects the devices. You will see a notification that your earbuds are connected, which means you are almost there. Now that your earbuds are connected, it's time to test the connection. Start by playing some music or a video on your Samsung phone. You can use any media app you prefer. As the content plays, pay attention to whether the sound comes through the earbuds. This is an essential step because it confirms that the connection is successful and that you can enjoy your audio without interruptions. If you hear the audio in the earbuds, you can relax knowing the setup worked perfectly. If not, check to ensure that the earbuds are powered on and properly paired. Testing the connection is a simple yet effective way to make sure everything is functioning as it should. It also gives you peace of mind, knowing that your listening experience will be seamless. If you encounter any issues, you can always return to the Bluetooth menu to troubleshoot. In conclusion, connecting your earbuds to a Samsung phone is straightforward and quick. With Bluetooth turned on, your earbuds paired, and a successful audio test, you are all set. Enjoy your music, podcasts, or videos with the freedom that comes from wireless earbuds. Thank you for following along, and happy listening.